Welcome to the first workshop of Samurai Cooperation. We are gonna create our first decentralized application, or otherwise say realm, on Gno Land by creating our first home realm. It is your own personalized realm to describe your user space, which is your own user profile. I will show you already made home realm and will interact and test with Gno Web, and I will show you how to deploy and share it on the whole of realm of Gno Land. It is a list of realm made by other users. Here is the home realm of Leon, which is a dev rel of Gno Land, and he has profile pics, some description about him, and some other stuff. There is some fun art that change when refreshed, as it can be seen right now. All its source code to made it, and the whole of realm we saw earlier, made by Leon as well. To go check other realms, you have Morgans, which you can sign a guest book. It's basically a comment sections, and we can execute the transactions, or by using Adena by clicking on this button, which is a web version of the Gno Land wallet. Sasha will have a little game with a flipper coins, and there is a little animations. There is also a calculator. I mean, it is not really useful, but it is a proof of concept of what's possible on the network. You even have these crazy 3D games made by G Fountain, as well a core team member. You can explore the map to find the bananas. Yeah, we can go on the right, go further, go back on the left. And variable can be seen in parameter. Anyways, you redo a realm like they did to do a proof of concept of what's possible with Gno Land to accommodate yourself with the language and the network. And after you will register your realm by adding this line in your init functions. If we go to Leon's one, we can see in his init the register functions. Also, to register your username, you should go to the main page, click on registry, and you just have to follow the instructions. So you just click here to register, and you set your username and launch these transactions. To help yourself in this workshop, we have made a lot of videos and an entire written workshops with every step and every pertinent videos or part of documentation you can watch. There is command to execute and some little explanations as the private field are gonna come soon to Gno Land, which is a way to update your code when you deploy it, because by default it is immutable, which means you can never change it. Anyways, and we are also available in the Gno Land servers, in the developer channel. You can directly ask your questions, and there will be people to answer you with the tag devrel, or myself, I will set my username in the descriptions. Maybe there will be other Discord channel, but see this one as the official one. And to onboard you quickly, you should create a home.gno files. You should do a Gno mod init with your username. So let's say mine is David123. It will create a gnomod.toml file. You create your render function that return a markdown content, and you should add the name of your package. So in my case, I will name it hello, which very importantly should be equal to the one you set in gnomod.toml. This one, so hello, hello. You do Gno dev, you see it has been loaded, and the result is available. It is very important to add functions like this one to update the content, as the code of your realm is immutable by default, so the code of your applications. And later, as I said before, there will be the private fields in the gnomod.toml, but it is not yet implemented. A little explanation on these update functions. Leon used another realms named config that will define two ownable objects with his own address. He set them as the main address and the backup address by using the ownable interface containing one STD address, and it lets you do many operations with your address by like switching the ownership, or more commonly check if the previous realm address is equal to the value in ownable. You can see it as a stack. In that case, you have the user realm, which call a realm A, which call a realm B, and by doing previous realm, so these functions, from the realm B, we're gonna get the address of realm A. We can as well call origin caller to get the first realm of the stack, so user realm. Anyways, that's how we made this ownership system using his config. To make your own ownable objects, you must import the ownable libraries and call the functions new with address with your address. So that's how you make these kind of functions. All the code is open source, so you can use it at your will. Now that's your turn, go create whatever seems good to you, go explore the possibility of Gno Land. You are autonomous, so experiment, play and iterate. The readme from the workshop has many documentations. Take everything we highlight in this video to make something great to learn for yourself. Once you're finished and you're proud of your realm, deploy it on the Hall of Realm. That's all for today. Thank you for listening. Don't hesitate to ask questions on the Discord I set in the descriptions. I'll probably update the descriptions in the future, so thank you and see you next time.